It's 7 p.m. in Kukrantumi, a town in Ghana. As doctors and nurses attend to Ajwa at the town clinic, the power goes off. There is no standby generator available and they have to rely on a torchlight in the operating theatre. This puts the life of the baby and the mother at risk. With a child mortality rate of 50 out of 1,000 births, power outages at clinics compound this problem. In Ghana, demand for power outstrips supply by 600 megawatts. As a result of climate change, water level at the hydro plant which generate 60% of power is low, making it run below its capacity. The effect of this power crisis has crippling effects on economic livelihood. Power is rationed, 24-hour blackouts followed by 12 hours of electricity supply. Over 2,000 jobs have already been lost. Students now have to study with lanterns at night. However, this power crisis is not peculiar to Ghana, but an African challenge as a whole. Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya and South Africa are also shedding power. Interestingly, according to the Electricity Company of Ghana, out of the total kilowatt hour supplied, a whopping 30% is wasted. So where does this 30% go? To identify and save this energy waste, we need energy audits. With energy audits, we can know the very places in homes, offices, factories and social centers where energy is unintentionally leaked or overused. So why are there not a lot of energy audits? 1. Energy audits are expensive. They cost between $300 to $900. 2. The ratio of the number of technicians to the people who need audit is low. To bridge this gap, our team proposed eSave. eSave is an innovative hardware and software solution that will perform and provide real-time results of energy audits right on the mobile phones of consumers in the very comfort of their homes and offices. The intelligent hardware will be fitted into the distribution panel of buildings. It tracks the usage of each appliance connected to the distribution panel as well as bulk consumption. This information is visualized on the eSave app, showing daily, weekly and monthly energy usage. Users can set weekly and monthly consumption targets. eSave notifies the users of overconsumptions, specific sources of overuse, and tips on how to reduce consumption. The eSave app will be available free for download. Upon registration, the user is asked for a one-time basic information, the electrical equipment being used, the quantity, star rating, and the average number of hour usage per day. Armed with this information and consumption tracking by the hardware, eSave identifies sources of energy wastage and provides timely suggestions on reducing consumption. eSave saves more than 50% on energy audit expenses. eSave is convenient. Auditing can be done anytime, anywhere. eSave improves urban energy efficiency, saving 15% on electricity bills. On a national level, eSave brings down the total energy demand. It protects the environment because less carbon dioxide will be produced from thermal generators. So support us to end this erratic power situation popularly known as Dumsor in Ghana.